You've cleared your demo data, great job. Now, let's personalize your Preno account by setting up your rooms and room types. Click on the Settings tab and select Rooms to begin crafting the unique spaces your property offers. Start by adding a new room type, let's say a 1-bedroom unit. Type in the name and remember, you can always edit this later on. Next, set your base rate. This is what you'll typically charge for a night's stay. You can adjust this anytime to fit your company's pricing strategy. How many guests can stay comfortably? Let's set it to 2. If you charge for extra guests, you can enter that rate here. If not, I'd leave it blank. Now, let's add individual rooms. Label them clearly. I'll name these simply as 1, 2, and 3. And there you go, 3 rooms ready to welcome guests. If you have more types, like a family studio, just repeat the process. And then add the number of rooms for each type and we're all set. And that's it. Your rooms are set and you're one step closer to getting all set up with Preno.